Hey guys, welcome to my channel Funny Art by Aisha. I hope my videos are really helpful for you. Our today's video is a really surprise for all of you who want to create some really amazing Islamic calligraphy art pieces, but they don't have enough command on Islamic calligraphy scripts. So you don't need to worry, I'm here to help you out. In our today's video, I'll show you to create some stencil for Islamic calligraphy, which you can use to create Islamic calligraphies in different styles. So let's start our today's video. Wait, have you subscribed my channel? If not, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. Here you can see I have a paper on which I have scripted the text which I want to draw on the canvas or my sketchbook. You can print it out also, but I have drawn it with my hand. The first step is to trace the text on a plastic sheet. I have bought this sheet from a hard binding shop. To trace it efficiently, you have to paste it with the help of some tape. So that the print and the sheet may not get misplaced. You can use a marker or a ball pen to trace the script. I am tracing the script on the plastic sheet. These stencils are really easy to make at home, but you have to be really careful during the tracing. The shape of the letters in calligraphy must be the same as in the print. I'm more comfortable with a marker, so I use it to trace it down. So the next step is to remove the print paper. So here comes the most tricky part. You have to cut it down using a cutter. I'm using this precise cutter for having a neat cutting of the stencil. You can cut it down in the same manner, and here you can see I have created a stencil. In my next videos, I will show you how you can use this stencil in different ways to create beautiful Islamic calligraphies.